In this video, we are going to talk about the modulus operators. It is the most useful operator in every language, in computing language. I am going to show how it works like this. This is a simple division. The division is by 2, 17 with first will 8 and 16 and remainder is 1. The modulus operators is going to give us this remainder. The remainder. This is how the modulus operators work. Like this is the simple division by 2 of 17 tasks, and if we divide 2 to 17 1, it is not divisible. We combine 17 and then 8 16 and we get with the 1 remainder, and you can see that modulus operators is going to give us this remainder. Okay, and if we are dividing by 2, we are going to get like this. If the number is bigger, we divide it 1 by 1, like 12 0, 4 is down, and we divide 2 by 4 and then we get 0, 7 is down, and again 8 is down, again 2, again 2. You can say if the number is even, the remainder is going to be 0. If the number is odd, like this 17, it is going to be 1. So you can say if we divide the any number by 2, we are going to get either 0 or 1. We don't going to get 2 because if it is 2, it is going to divide it by 2 and we get again 0. So you can say if even number, we are going to get 0, and if odd number, we are going to get 1. We can divide about numbers like 3, we are going to get from 0 and 2 maximum. If we are taking modulus by 5, let's say, we are going to get 2 bone number 3 and 4. Okay, this is the simple working of modulus operators. The modulus operators give us the remainder in division. As you can see, if it is going to be integer division, we are going to get a remainder, but if it is going to be like double or float division, we are not going to get 0. Let me show how we use it. Like we can say integer, as I told you, it is going to only applicable on integers values. Like in this task, I am going to find the even or odd number. So I am going to take input from the user. So Cout enter a number. User is going to enter in num. I'm going to check if this is the modulus operator sign, ampersand sign or percentage sign. We are going to check it with 2. If modulus divided by 2 equal to 0, it's checking the simple. If we divided the number num with 2, we are going to get like remainder equal to 0, then it's going to be even number. So otherwise, we need to see out your number is odd. We're going to check this our code. I'm going to run this code, and if I'm going to enter input even number, and you can see 6 at the end of the number, that means even number, and it is going to say even number. And if I am going to input a odd number like 1 7 at the end, so it's an odd number. So modulus operator is going to give us the remainder in the integer division. If if I'm going to convert this float, it is not going to work, because the modulus operators is only applicable on integers value, because the remainder you can show you is only going to get we get a reminder if we are going to perform an integer division, not a other type of divisions. As I told you, the number I am going to taking modulus with 2, so I am going to get 0 or 1, 0 or 1, because if it is going to be 2 at the end, it is going to be 0. Okay, as it is, if the number is I am taking modulus with 3, I am going to get 0, 1 and 2, 3. If I am getting 4, this is going to be answer if I am going to taking modulus with 5. Okay, I hope you understand the modulus operators and it's working.